Abdomen sign and symptoms. Umbilical pain. Umbilical area. The umbilical area is influenced by the kidney and liver channel and the directing and penetrating vessel. Pain in this area is more common in children than in adults. Clinical note, umbilical pain is more common in children than adults. This refers to pain. Umbilical pain refers to pain in the area around the umbilicus. Pain in this area is common in children. The most common pattern causing umbilical pain are cold in the abdomen, chest stagnation, blood stasis, retention of food, more common in children. Stagnation of chin, the stomach, and intestine. Umbilical pain and distension. Epigastric pain, distension, belching, nausea, vomiting, hiccup, irritability, pulse wiry on the right middle position. Cold in the intestine. Spastic umbilical pain that is aggravated by cold liquids and alleviated by hot liquids. Diarrhea with pain, feeling of cold sensation in the abdomen, tongue with thick white coating, deep wiry pulse. Damp heat in the intestines. Umbilical pain that is not relieved by a bowel movement. Diarrhea, mucus, and blood in the stool. Burning in the anus, scanty dark urine, fever, sweating that does not decrease the fever, a feeling of heat, thirst without a desire to drink, feeling of heaviness of the body and limbs, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, slippery, rapid pulse. Spleen and kidney yang deficiency. Dahil umbilical pain that comes and goes, lower back ache, cold and weakness, feeling cold, bright, white complexion, impotence, decreased libido, tiredness, lassitude, abundant clear urination, urination at night, loose stool, poor appetite, desire to lie down, early morning diarrhea, pale and wet tongue, deep weak pulse. Food poisoning. Severe umbilical pain, belching, nausea, vomiting, loose stool, thick tongue coating, and slippery pulse. Heat in bright young. Burning umbilical pain, intense thirst with a desire to drink, cold liquids, mental restlessness, dry mouth, mouth ulcers, bleeding gums, dry stool, sour regurgitation, foul breath, nausea, vomiting, synaptic eating, feeling of heat, sour regurgitation, tongue red with a thick, dry, dark yellow coating, deep, full, rapid pulse. This corresponds to either the organ pattern of the bright, young heat with the identification of pattern according to the 6 stages, or to the pattern of dry heat in the intestine, within the identification of patterns according to the 4 levels. Thank you for your attention.